First thing we're going to do here is go over the whole unit with the Scratch Fix pen and find any bare spots, any little marks, chips, scratches. We'll go from that over the whole unit, do those first. Now with these pens, the stain will only take to the bare wood. It won't take to any lacquered finishes. It'll just wipe straight back off, so it has to go on bare wood. And then when you've finished it, just wipe a little bit off, the excess off with your fingers. Yes. So these are all bare, these pieces of wood, so we just touch all this up first before we start on the next section. With splits, before you repair them, it's always good to colour them up with the pen first. And another tip you might want to do with the Scratch Fix pen is to make sure that when you're fixing up like a scratch or a chip or anything like that, or even a split, when you do a split, colour it up with the pen and usually run a bit darker colour than what the actual unit is, so that it blends in a lot better. If you use a light colour, it'll show up. So we'll just keep going here. All these pieces here you see are the cardboard corrugation marks, so we don't need to worry about that. And then over here we've got quite a large split which needs to be coloured up first. And the reason you colour this up first when you're doing a split is that along the edges there, when you put the wax in there, when you put your filler wax in there, it's going to leave a bare wood mark. So if you pre-colour it first, it will cover that all up, and then you don't need to worry about touching it up after you've filled it with the wax sticks.